Hello, dear souls. Welcome to Guided Affirmations by Susanna. Today, we're focusing on cultivating a more loving, compassionate, and peaceful state of being. Affirmations are like gateways to the soul, acting as powerful tools that unlock the deepest parts of ourselves. By speaking or thinking these phrases, we engage with our core, encouraging inner transformation. This meditation is designed to strengthen and balance your heart chakra, helping you deepen your connections and enrich your emotional well-being. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let it out slowly. Allow your body to relax with each breath. Feel any tension melting away from the top of your head down to your toes. With each breath, feel more relaxed and grounded. Visualize a gentle, soothing light radiating from your heart center, wrapping your entire being in a comforting blanket of warmth and love. With each affirmation, visualize the words as a beam of light entering your heart, filling it with vibrant energy. Repeat each one silently after me, really feeling the meaning behind the words. Let's begin. I open my heart to receive and give love freely. I am worthy of love and kindness. Compassion towards myself and others flows effortlessly from me. I release past hurts and embrace the present with an open heart. I am connected to an endless reservoir of love. My heart is a bridge to understanding and connection. I forgive myself and others with ease. Love guides all my relationships. Each day, I am filled with more love and kindness. I trust in the goodness of life. I am a beacon of love and peace. My heart is strong and resilient. I choose to see the world with love and joy. I nurture my inner child with unconditional love. Every heartbeat fills me with peace and love. I am grateful for all my loving relationships. Love heals me every moment. I embrace compassion in all aspects of my life. I am united in love with all beings. My heart is open to love in its purest form. As we come to the end of this meditation, keep your eyes closed for a moment longer and enjoy the sounds. Hold on to the warmth and light you've cultivated in your heart. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes.